Yo, how we doing, chat? Yo, how we doing, chat? Redneck, what up? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right. Get this stream shared out real quick. Trader 007, good morning. How you doing? Happy Thursday, chat. Today's Thursday? Today Thursday, chat? Yeah, today's Thursday. Yeah. Happy Thursday. What's going on with my screen here? Hold on. There we go. There we go. Oh man, chat, the Nasdaq has been absolutely just feeling very, very weak. Very, very weak. What up, G-Man? What's up, Bay-Dog? How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? How you doing, G-Man? Chat, if you're just tuning in, do me a favor, smash that like button right off the rip. Do me the big favor, holy. Go here, we're keeping busy. Don't know. All these people know I'm trying to trade. Holy, let them know. Let them know, G-Man. Let them know. Let them know what the priorities are. You got priorities, dude. And that's trading. These 9-to-5s, they don't matter. Sid the trader, how you doing? I gotta bounce back today. Well, hey, I believe in you. I absolutely believe in you.
Fill your bagel? Of course.
Gold is the way. It absolutely is the way. There is no other way. There's only one way, and that's gold. 100%. 100%, chat. Chat, can y'all hear the music? I think I finally got desktop audio. Can y'all hear it? I think I finally got the desktop audio, chat. Kay's in the building. What's up, Kay? How you doing, girl? How you doing, girl? Hold on, chat. Let me know if y'all can hear the music. I think I finally got desktop audio, so I want to check it. Let's see. Market's open, by the way, chat. Good luck. It's open, by the way, chat. Good luck. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let's fix something real quick, though. There we go. Chat, y'all should hear the music. Nice. Can y'all hear that music? Okay, don't play with me. I just checked my stream. I know it's playing. Y'all really can't hear it? I know y'all. I know. Okay, I know you playing with me. I know you playing with me right now. You need to relax, okay? It is too early, okay? It's too early for all that. Andrew, what up? How you doing? Man, Nasdaq looking just weak. Holy. I'm so happy to have desktop audio, chat. Now I can play music and have music on the stream. Nasdaq trading at 549, chat. 549. Wait, where's my indicators, bro? Hold on. Chat, why is my... Did one of y'all like mess up my chart? Redneck says I cannot hear the music? What do you mean? What do you mean? Is it really low? Is it really that low? I was trying not to make it too loud. But if hey, I'll turn it up. That's fine. Chat, is that better? Is that too loud or is that too low still? Let me know. Yo, Nasdaq still just absolutely selling off. Nasdaq selling, bro. Okay, let's do this here. Hang on. Y'all should be able to hear that. Yeah, y'all should be able to hear it. Holy. I pulled it up on my phone. I can hear it just fine. Fiera, how you doing? I hope I said your name right. Jay must have hearing aids. I got that eagle ear, bro. Wait, no, that's eyesight. What the fuck am I saying? What can hear really great, chat? Like, what kind of animal can hear really well? It's me, man. Rustam, good morning. Nasdaq is not feeling too hot, chat. Holy. Nasdaq just selling. Nasdaq is a falling knife. Cool with it. I'm cool with it. Get us away from all-time highs. I'm absolutely cool with that, chat. Holy. Stick with the eagle. It goes good with the bald. Yeah, it does. You know what? It does. Bald eagle. Yeah. I can stick with that. I can stick with that, chat. Holy. Man, Nasdaq just absolutely selling, bro. My goodness. My goodness, chat. I love it. I absolutely love it. Good volume now. Hopefully this continues the rest of the month, bro. The rest of the month. Or you meant the music? I thought you were talking about the Nasdaq. Apparently my brain's not ticking right now. Chat, we gotta find some shorts. We gotta get into some shorts, chat. I took a trade on gold last night. Made a quick 125 on it. So we're starting out green. Not bad. As far as news goes, we really don't have any. We have existing home sales at 9. Existing home sales, 9 o'clock. An owl. Redneck, refresh the stream, bro. I feel like you're behind. Doesn't owl have really good like hearing? Does it? I don't know. I know it has really good eyesight. Oh, Lee, look at the sellers coming through. Look at the sellers. Chat, we gotta find a short entry, man. Holy. We gotta get in the shorts. Market is bleeding. I should have been in some swing positions, chat. Just started swinging short on the market. I feel like we knew this was coming. I feel like we knew it was coming, chat. Chat, how's y'all's week doing? Are y'all green, red? Y'all purple, yellow? How's y'all's week, bro? How's the week? Talk to me. Talk to me. You've been on tilt and blowing accounts all week. I don't know what happened. What tilted you? That's no bueno. Bad headspace, that'll do it. That'll absolutely do it. Bad headspace, yeah, I mean, I've been there, trust me, I've been there. Sid says flat. Not bad. Always behind the big show. Yes, you are, Redneck. You gotta step it up, dude. Yes, step it up. Said the trader is slightly green. Nice. Nice. We're green on, well, actually, I'm break even on the week on my personal account. We had a red day on, no, actually, I'm up now. After last night, I'm up on the week. Yesterday, we had a red day in the personal account. We were down $500 on the personal, called it a day. That is the max risk for the personal. You guys were running out with the fat guy in the back yelling, "Wait up for me, holy." Yes, that's okay. That is okay. Sometimes you gotta make sure you hit that refresh button on the stream to make sure you're all nice and caught up. Market Maker Mario's in the building. What's up, dude? How you doing? How you doing, bro? Nasdaq catching a little bit of a Bitsky. Finally seeing pullbacks. Glad to see it. Yo, I am right there with you. It's much needed. Absolutely needed. Done for the day except options and cash account. Actually went over on funded accounts and evals. Guess it's extra trading days for me. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. All right, catching a little bit here. Maybe look for some shorts here once we catch a little bit more of a pop. Maybe catch some shorts at like 500. We can get up there. I don't know if we get up there. Is Monday too late to enter the giveaway by buying Trify? No. You can do it on Monday. It's just the end of the month, so you have until the last day of the month. Chat, as a reminder, we are doing a giveaway to Tradify. If you buy an account with Tradify using code JM, send me a screenshot in Discord. That'll enter you for a giveaway. You can have multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts, you get 5 entries. Holy moly. There's going to be a couple winners. There's going to be a winner for a straight to funded account and a winner for a growth account. You do not want to... You don't want to miss that. Be sure to send me those screenshots. Be entered for the giveaway. All right, catching a little bit of a pop here. NQ made me work yesterday. I was in a short for 1.5 hours. Holy moly. I hate those trades. Those are the absolute worst. They really are. They really, really are. All right, Nasdaq really trying to catch a bid here. Chat, I'm gonna get into a preliminary position. I'm gonna go ahead and sell 3. I got 3 sold. We'll look to add to it if we get continuation or the downside. We could take a little heat on this. We're in kind of a preliminary position. We could go up and see above 500, and we'll, if we get confirmation again up there as well, I'm still down to add. Black Coffee, good morning. Bo, what's up? Buyers really stepping in here, chat. All right, we're gonna add to. We added 2 right there. That's why I entered a preliminary position of a small position. That way we could have room to add if we got another good entry. But if this thing continues to pop, we'll get out of it. We will get out of it. Which it looks like we are still trying to catch a little bit of a bid here. So we got to be a little careful, chat. A little careful. We want to see sellers step back in here. There we go. Let's continue this thing down. Move our take profit down. See if we can really catch a move down here. See if we can really catch a move down here, chat. All right, let's take 2 off. Oh, actually, oh my God, chat. I just took my whole position off. Chat, I just took my whole position off and I didn't want to do that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, bro. Oh, that's max pain, chat. Oh God. That is max pain, bro. This thing's going in the lows too. Look at this. God. There's no way that just happened, chat. I just took my whole position off and didn't want to. I wanted to trim. Wait a minute. How does that make sense? I had 5. Chat, I had 5. No. Yeah, I had 5 contracts on, but my contract was set to 2. So how did that get me out of the whole position? I'm confused. Chat, I'm confused. I don't know how that just happened, actually. Because my take profits was way down here. I was in 5 contracts. My contracts were set to 2. And I hit buy to get out of 2 contracts. And it closed my entire position. How does that work? Wait a minute. Oh, chat. Wait a minute. I know why. I know why. Right there. My daily profit trigger is set to $350, bro. And that's why it got me out. Oh my god. I forgot I even like had that on there, dude. Save. I mean, I guess good exit. I mean, well, at least the rule worked. Yeah, it did. Golly, chat. Oh man. I mean, if it's gonna bounce here, I guess good exit, but Jesus, bro. I guess I need to increase that. That's mad annoying. Mad annoying, chat. Well, anyways, that was a really good trade, though. I mean, breaking it down and looking at it, chat, we started off with 3 micros at 485. Just kind of anticipating that we were going to still bounce a little bit. This is a preliminary position, just getting into a smaller position size just to be in a position. Just, you know, obviously we're feeling shorts. Market's been a little bit bearish. Was looking for us to test this level here of consolidation, got in 3 contracts, and then added 2 more at 514 and caught the sell from there. So that was a good trade. Really good trade. Okay, this thing might actually go to the lows. Crazy. But good trade nonetheless. I mean, even though we got out, our rule triggered us out of the whole position. Wasn't really paying attention to that, but overall, good trade. Yeah, I just got the email. Your account has been switched to auto liquidating of account due to daily profit limit hit. Well, fortunately, I can turn it off. Fortunately, I can turn it off, chat. Holy. I'm really liking IB data. Kind of the reason I held was because of the reports. Yeah. IB. Edgel got some good data, man. Got some good data. Some good data, chat. Some good data. Redneck, where you at? Redneck Trades. Let's hear the accent, bro. Some data. Holy moly, K. Really liking it, yes. Edgeful is it's where it's at, man. It's where it's at. Hey, Redneck Trades. Redneck. For what it gives to steal, it absolutely is. It absolutely is. Absolutely. Redneck, we want to hear the accent. Oh, God. All right, is this existing home sales coming out? Chat, you know what's crazy is I'm from Arkansas. My whole entire family has an accent. Every single part of my family has one. I never picked it up, ever. There are like some things that I say that has like a little country twang to it, but I am the standout. It's my whole family has that southern accent. I never got it. Never picked it up. I don't know how. Don't know why. But I never did. Buyer's really trying to hold this level here. Buyer's really trying to hold the level, chat. My cousin has a long draw when he talks, and I talk fast, so it's kind of funny when we hang out. That would be quite the conversation. Holy. Quite the conversation. I want to go spend like 5 years in New York and develop the New York accent. And then come back here. Buyers are popping, chat. Holy moly. Bo says gross. Mario says, here I am dying to leave. I'm from the north, but have a lot of family in the south. I have a slight accent, but when I'm around it, I immediately pick up a draw. It's like a tick. Like, chat. It's like a. I don't know if I'm gonna get canceled for saying this, but it's like a person with Tourette's triggering another person with Tourette's. The person with Tourette's, the other person with Tourette's started ticking, and then that person started ticking because the other person with Tourette's is ticking. Buyers, holy moly, chat. Buyers have entered the chat. My goodness. No trade for you yet. These buyers are looking pretty appealing. Holding this level once again, catching a nice solid bid ski. Straight back up here, chat. Straight back up. Nice little bid ski. Question is, do the buyers sustain, chat? Do they sustain and continue moving us higher, or do we actually tank? Because Nasdaq's been a little bearish. Nasdaq's been a little bit bearish, chat. I mean, look at this. Just I like this level down here at, I mean, obviously we're not going to hit it today, but I mean, it makes me think that if the Nasdaq could over the next week or so come down to test those 200s, and we're in the 500s now, so over the coming week, you know, a 300-point move isn't that big. So I almost wonder if we could come down and test that. But buyers are actually buying us straight back up right now. I was trying to look for a key level that would make sense for us to test. I don't know, maybe stops up at 598. Maybe he stops up here, chat. I don't know. Because the market's bearish. I don't really know about a uptrend day. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm feeling a trend to the upside, chat. Is it bad you're considering buying 2 more monitors? You have 5 at the moment. Hey, listen, I'm thinking about buying 2 more myself. But what I don't know how to do, Mario, and maybe you can help me out here, is I have a Mac Studio, all right? And I have 4 monitors. How would I hook up 2 more? I don't know how I would do 2 more. Kind of want to. I'm kind of feeling having 6 monitors, chat. I don't know. I feel like I should. Cause I got too much going on. Like, chat, I got you guys over here. I have the Streamlabs software over here. I have my trading monitor. I have Bookmap. I feel like I do need 2 more monitors. Like, not even just as to be a trader, just because I stream and trade, and so like I feel like I need the extra monitors. So having 6 monitors may not be a bad thing. What do you look for on the left order flow thing? I'm from Forex, and I just wonder what kind of information or patterns you look for there. This is Bookmap, so it just shows me, it's kind of like level 2, if you've ever heard of level 2. It just shows me like where resting orders are sitting, where liquidity is sitting, right? So if I look at it here, I can see all of these contracts on the order book, right? You see where it says COB on the right? I can see all the contracts on the order book here where orders are sitting. Now, what I see here, what I see on the order book, it's not the exact amount. Like there are times where there's icebergs and you don't see all the contracts hitting the tape, but it just shows me how many contracts are sitting above and below price. I can see time and sales for how many contracts get filled at certain areas, the session volume profile. The bubbles you see, the bigger they are, the more volume. Anything above price, the current bubble, anything above price are sellers, anything below are buyers generally. Yeah, pretty much what I look for. Just gives me a visual picture of what the market's doing. They have USB-C adapters. Not sure if it works with Mac though. I have to look into that. I have to look into it. Looking to get display ports, 1.4 splitter. Nice. Yeah, I need to. I really want to figure out how to get more monitors on here. Mr. Bond says, "Oh, the music is kicking. Holy, just got here green for the day so far. You absolutely love to hear it." G-Man's back. What did I miss? We took a short trade, ended up riding this thing down here and got out. Accidentally closed my entire position. Didn't mean to. I had a rule set for a 350-day daily profit target, and it got triggered and didn't realize I had it set, and so it took me out of my whole position. But we ended up making some money, so that's a good thing, I guess. Mr. Chicago King himself, Sean Chicago King, how you doing, bro? How you doing, dude? How you doing? Sean Chicago King. Mr. Chicago himself. Mr. Chicago himself, holy. Nice to see you're better. Yes, yesterday I woke up with a massive headache. I don't know. Yesterday was weird. I had a big old headache. I was like, you know what? I don't feel like sitting at my desk full of monitors with bright ass lights in my face and have a headache at the same time. I missed your answer about the deadline for Tradeify giveaway entries. Yeah, you can. It's just the last day of the month, so you can do it on Monday. It's fine. That's fine. Chat, remember, all you gotta do is send a screenshot using code JM. Send a screenshot, they'll enter you for a straight to funded account. There'll be 2 winners. One will be a straight to funded and one will be a growth account. All you gotta do is send the screenshots, baby. Holy. Joey's rigging this so that I don't win. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? You got a fair shot just like anybody else. Above this, chat, I'm looking for shorts. I don't know about y'all. Might be looking for shorts. Chat, this music is bumping. I mean, hey, it's kind of a vibe, chat. I don't know about y'all, but it's kind of a vibe. Chat, I need you guys to ask yourself a single question. Ask yourself this one question, chat. Have you hit the like button? If you haven't, let's fix it. Let's fix it. There's a point of control right above those candles. Is it the weekly point of control? I don't have volume profile up. I don't actually, no, it shouldn't be weekly because we haven't really been down here. Gotcha, Mario. Can't type for shit on mobile. Need to switch to your computer, big dog. Use them 6 monitors or 5 monitors that you got. Making coffee, be there in a minute. I need some coffee. I have 7. If you don't have 7, you're doing it wrong. How do you have 7? Do you use a Mac? Because I need to know how to do it on Mac Studio. Because I need 2 more. I might even do 3 more, chat. I don't know. Chicago, I might join you on the 7 monitors. Who knows? I guess technically I have 5, chat, because I have my iPad. My iPad can act as another monitor. So technically I have 5, I guess. It says don't get Mario ideas, Ole. Ole. Chat, am I feeling the shorts right now? Chat. Question is, do I like the shorts up here? Market's been bearish. Popping 586. Maybe we do get above 630. I don't know, this feels a little too strong for me to short right now. Maybe if we got above 630s. Could take a look. I don't know how bullish I am on the day though. It's like, do we have a day where we actually recover a little bit? Or the seller is just gonna pick right back up here? That's the tricky part, chat. That's the tricky part. I know 634 is a nice little level here. Yeah, so that's a nice little level to also this low over here. So I mean, yeah, it's a nice level to see if we could get above and reject. So if we do that, I might look for the shorts there. Might do that. IB will be set also in 9 minutes. $189 points. Yeah, it's been a ripper. Wait on IB formation. Yeah, it's probably smart, honestly. Probably smart. I mean, it's going to be set here in about 8 minutes. Eight minutes. Hey Joe, any giveaways today? Nope, but we're doing some tomorrow for Giveaway Friday. Chat, is that the new thing, Giveaway Friday? I feel like I need a better name for that. I don't really like how that sticks. Giveaway Friday. I feel like we need a better name. Free Friday? No. I don't like Free Friday either. Chat, give me some ideas. Chat, we need a name for every day of the week. Millie Monday? Make a Millie Monday? Chat, what do you think? Millie Monday? I kind of like that. Millie Monday. What about Tuesday? I already know for Fridays, chat, it's don't fuck it up Fridays. It's don't fuck it up Friday. That's Friday, right? So we have Millie Monday, don't fuck it up Friday. Hold on. Tilt Tuesday. Nobody wanted nobody wanted tilt, bro. Nobody wanted tilt. So Millie Monday, and we have a don't fuck it up Friday. So what's Tuesday, chat? We need a Tuesday. Breakout Tuesday. I'm trying to think of something that starts with a T. What a rip. Yeah, it's saying it's absolutely just sent to the moon for whatever reason. Almost went tilt on Tuesday, but just hit the power button on my PC. That's a good way to stop the tilt. Just hit the power button, walk away. Take profit Tuesday. TP Tuesday, chat. That's it. TP Tuesday. Make a Millie Monday, TP Tuesday. And we have Don't Fuck It Up Friday. So we need Wednesday and Thursday. Toilet paper Tuesday. No. I mean, I guess it could be taken that way. I don't know. I guess it could be taken that way. Who knows, right? Whatever you want it to be. TP Tuesday. Yeah, we probably should change that. Toilet paper Tuesday. Yeah, we should probably change that. Maybe I should ask ChatGPT. Hold on, let me ask ChatGPT, chat. I'm asking right now, hang on. All right, let's see what ChatGPT says. It says Thursday should be throttle or full throttle Thursday. Full throttle Thursday, chat. What do you think? Sounds like a mouthful. Full throttle Thursday. I don't know. ChatGPT didn't really give me any good ones. Yeah, it's telling you to full pour on Thursday. It really is. It really is. Oh, I'm gonna tell ChatGPT these suck. Yeah, ChatGPT sucks at this. It's good at everything else, but obviously can't come up with good names. So ChatGPT sucks. I'm gonna leave it out. Tears gone cold and I'm wondering why. Got out of bed at all.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little sunset mix with me. And I see you next time. Bye.
Thankful Thursday. I like that. Thankful Thursday. That's good. Thankful. I don't know. It sounds too soft. And guys, it's Thankful Thursday. What are you thankful for? Sounds like some Thanksgiving shit. And I ain't there. I'm not there. Wait, what happened to my music? Hold on, did it end? Oh, it ended. Hold on.
Imagine being able to build anything.
All right, Nasdaq kind of teetering these 600s, chat. Nasdaq teetering 600s. Do we get a pop above initial balance high, chat? Get a pop above the IB. What do we think? 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 I am liking the shorts up here. It's like you prefer IB to orb. I prefer IB over orb, yeah. IB all day long, baby. Holy. Holy chat. I'm back up to IB high here. Volume kind of slowing down a little bit. Absolutely right. Went 850 negative on my Apex PA account. Next trade, I brought it back up to 50,544. Did I break a rule? Yes. The 30% rule. Guaranteed you broke it. Use both, but leaning on IB more and more these days. Yes, same. I've used orb. I like 15-minute orb. I've used it. I just prefer IB. Are we rejecting up here, chat? I kind of want to attempt the short. I really wanted to break IB first. I'm gonna hold off. If it moves without me, it moves without me. I'm too 50-50 on this short. I feel like we could reject it, but I also feel like we could still go pop IB high. So I'm gonna just hold off on it. And if it moves without, it moves without. It's fine. No biggie. No biggie. Chat, here's the stats on the Trade Zella account. Oh wait, today hasn't populated yet. Hang on.
We put it through the worst.
Let's get today populated in here. There we go.
So you get it.
Here's the stats.
Nissan, #1 in new vehicle quality.
In the college setting, this is your
Yesterday
first time. You want to put
should
your
not
best
have.
foot forward. I'm Lauren Taylor. I'm a student.
Yesterday was kind of a brutal day because it wiped out Monday and Tuesday. Because Monday and Tuesday were kind of really small profit days. I mean, 241, 205, and then my max risk per day on this on my personal account is $500 of risk per day. I don't risk more than 500. So yesterday was kind of a kick in the ass, but you know,
Download Grammarly for free.
it's okay. We've only had 4 red days so far. But we still have the rest of the day today, tomorrow, and then Monday and Tuesday of the month. So we could still pull some more green out of the month. But overall, the stats are not looking that bad. Not horrible. Could be better, but also not horrible. Appreciate 007. Mr. Bond, thank you. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we're having a good month. We're nice and green. Our risk has been well managed. We've managed to handle our risk the way we needed to. That's all you can really do. Manage your risk the way it needs to be managed. You'll be all right. Is Apex 30% P&L rule on a single trade or on the day? I can look it up, but if someone knows, I can get lazy. So the 30% is it's on a one trade. So it's in a single trade if your account dips below 30% of the account balance in one trade. We are still kind of rejecting up here. Mix all day here for a minute. So far, yeah. So far, it's what it's looking like. Chat, wait, I ordered some things off Amazon. Hold on. Where are my orders at? Oh, now everything's arriving tomorrow. Okay. Everything was supposed to be arrived today, but... Or one was supposed to arrive yesterday, but now it's all arriving tomorrow. Okay. I don't trust it to move up. I don't either. I mean, the market's been bearish. I don't really know how I feel about a push up on the whole day. So I'm definitely kind of feeling shorts. But I don't know, it's just weird. Like, I think I want one more pop, chat. Like, I think if we could get, if I could get like this here, a pop here, and then a reject and back into IB, I would probably take this short to write it down. I think that's what I want to happen. I don't know that I want to short it before then. Like, I want to see some sort of pop and then reject it.
And a successful party needs marijuana. A game party in a home, a birthday party.
And that would be a good short, chat if we could get that. That'd be like perfect world scenario right there too. Perfect world scenario.
Well, the purpose of a party is to have fun together. And a successful party needs marijuana. Marijuana.
Maybe we get it right here.
Marijuana. Marijuana.
Testing IB.
Marijuana.
Get this IB break and then come back down and reject it.
You know, a lot of people think that in order to conceal carry,
All right, so we didn't get a pop of IB either. Chat, I'm gonna take 3 micros short here. It's got 3 trade file with code JM. They're gonna be lucky. Yep, they are 100%. Send me the screenshots. They are gonna be the lucky one. Let's get a push below 602. Push below 602 would be huge. Seller just gotta push it, chat. Seller just gotta push it. Don't want to see these buyers start trying to kick in here. Sellers are not able to push. I don't love this push, chat. I don't love this buy up. I don't love the buy up. I don't love it. All right, we're gonna get out of that. We'll just get stopped out of that one. Sellers really tried. Buyers just sent us right back up though. They tried. Just no go. No go. Move up was just an RSI reset, if you believe in that sort of thing. Maybe it was. I thought maybe we had since we did pop that IB and we started rejecting it a little bit, maybe we would come back down, and we really tried to. Just still kind of holding this consolidation area. This is just, I don't know. This is a really weird move up, chat. Really weird move up. That's why I only took it on 3 micros, because I there's something just feels weird about it. I liked the idea of a failed auction there. But 3 micros. Well, that's why we only took it on 3 micros, because we weren't gonna try to risk a whole lot there. Now we could see it again here, which I will retake it. I don't mind retaking it, chat. All right, we'll give it one more stab. One more stab here, chat. We're in 5. 5 micros. If this one fails, well, we will call it a day. On the personal account, at least. But I do like the idea of a failed auction here, man. I really do. Just gotta pop all of this here. We can pop these lows when we're gonna be all right. Gonna give it some time, be a little patient. Let the trade work out itself. It's gonna be a little difficult getting through all this, but if we're truly gonna fail the IB high, then we should be able to. Just need sellers to get that push, man. Just need sellers to get that push. I'm gonna move 2 of these contracts up to 602. So we'll take 2 off at 602 if we can get down there. Just gotta push through this, man. I mean, it's like we're just stuck here. And the buyers are coming right back in. Nasdaq, don't make me work for it, man. Holy. Don't make me work for it. Nasdaq gonna make me work for it, chat. Buyers just are being relentless today. Even though we show signs of failing the IB, we are just not wanting to fail it. Just not wanting to fail it, chat. See where are we at? Yeah, we're back above it. Well, we might be getting out of this one too. I'm gonna give it just a little bit more room, but not much. I'm gonna try to give it one more opportunity to reject up there. Just one more opportunity. Yeah. This thing does not want to just, it doesn't want to come down. I'm really trying to give it a chance here. Really trying to give it a chance. This thing is not my vibe. Yeah, just me neither. Me neither. Nasdaq's making me work for this one. Making me work, chat. I already had one trade that gave you a headache. Not looking for a second. Yo, this one's actually giving me a headache. This trade actually does suck. It's like, how many times are we gonna reject up here before actually failing? Like, I mean, this is the third time we're rejecting. Third. Like, eventually we've got to fail it enough to where we come down. But market don't gotta do anything. Market don't care how I feel. If we buy up from here again, chat, that's gonna be real annoying.
You know, love is an incredible thing, and we don't know love like we should. We always talk about, I have unconditional love. Unconditional love is, we don't even know it, because if a person stops stimulating us, we stop loving them. You're not interesting to talk to anymore. Goodbye.
Just need sellers to push it. just push it. Just push it. Push it.
Difficult to have. That's that love.
Golly. Come on, sellers. Here we go. Let's move. Let's move. There you go. Let's go ahead and get out of 2, chat. We're out of 2. Now we're at 3 left. We got 3 left.
You know, love is an incredible thing, and we don't know love like we should. We always talk about, I have unconditional love. Unconditional love is, we don't even know it, because if a person stops stimulating us, we stop loving them. You're not interesting to talk to anymore. Goodbye.
Come on. Keep the push down here. Keep the move down going.
But that real love that sometimes is difficult to have, that's that love.
These 3, I'm going to break even, chat. I'm not going to let this thing go, let these 3 contracts go red. So I'll go break even on these 3. If we can get a little move down here, I'll start trailing it. I'm just wondering if we're gonna pop through 600 or not. A pop through 600 would be ideal, but buyers are kind of trying to defend this. Yeah, buyers defending 600. I'm gonna take it off, chat. I'm gonna take it off. Just take a little bit. I don't like that buyers are trying to defend that 600 level. So we got a little profit back there. We got a little profit back. Couple hundred on a YM short of VWAP. Nice. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I don't know. After having had to work for that trade the way I did, bro, it just made sense to take it off. Does it continue down? Maybe. But it made sense just to take the profit. We're coming down. We got down to that 600 level, which, well, about 605, 604. Huge psych level. Probably have a little battle there. Overall, it looks bearish. Chances are we could probably go see VWAP. I just could not. I was not in the right space to try to let this play out all the way. After having worked for it the way I did, I needed to take the profit. Needed to take the profit, chat. which ended up being a good trade. I mean, we got back a lot of the profit that we lost in the first one. So it ended up being a good trade. Yeah, now it's dumping, chat. Now it's dumping. The go figure. The go, yeah, let's go see VWAP. Now that I'm out of the trade, let's go see VWAP. Let's do it. Why not? Right? Why not? Chat, I might tilt today. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might need to log out of the personal account and go tilt on a prop firm account. Y'all might see me tilt today, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, you might see Tilt J come out. Tilty J. So it's gonna be called Tilty J. Tilty J. Walk it off, go prop. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. Let's see, what am I up? 250. Nah, I can't tilt, chat. I'm not gonna tilt. We can't be doing that. We can't be doing that, chat. Not for the big goals and dreams that we have coming up in the next year. We can't be doing it. Tilting is fun sometimes. I mean, maybe. 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 I can't be. I can't do it. Don't tilt JM. I'm not going to. I'm not going to. We good. Yeah, tilting is not fun on a cash count. That's, yeah, no, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I will never tilt in a cash count shot, ever. 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 I know better. I know better, chat. Just go fishing? I would, but it's my mom's birthday. My mom's up here today, so I'm spending time with the madre. I'm going fishing tomorrow, though. Tomorrow and Saturday. Tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that. Tomorrow. Chad, y'all like that? Look at the buy up. Look at the bounce off VWAP, chat. Holy. Look at the mega bounce off VWAP. Did we get to VWAP? Yeah, kinda. Kinda. Bouncing all the way back to IB high, just like that, chat. Just like that. Holy. Holy moly. Oh man. Wait, what happened to my camera? Oh wait, I'm on the wrong screen, chat. Why didn't y'all tell me? Chat, I hired y'all to let me know when things are messed up, and y'all are failing me. Y'all are absolutely failing me. Absolutely failing me, chat. Y'all are supposed to be my trading partners. My streaming trading partners. And y'all are letting me down, bro. I don't know what I gotta do about that, but... Ole. Look at this buy, dude. Jesus Christ. Bounce off VWAP and absolutely just straight send it. My goodness. Absolutely just straight sending it. $678 area. I'm curious on NQ. 678. Wait, there we go. I like it. I like it. Looking like we're gonna go pop these highs up here. Even though that trade ran even more after I got out of it, I guess it was a good exit. 'Cause I mean, look at where we are. You know what I mean? Look at where we are. So I'm gonna take that as a W. As a big W. We are just hovering IB high here. Hovering IB high, chat. What are we gonna do? What's it gonna be? Are we gonna tank it? Are we gonna rip it? Are we gonna do absolutely nothing and consolidate sideways, chat? Who knows? Stay tuned. Who fucking knows? What happened to price, chat? I mean, why, we're just going sideways, bro. Volume just died. Like, absolutely died. What happened? Does anybody know? Like, what happened? Where did volume go? What happened to this? Like, what happened here? What happened to this? What happened to this? Why are we doing this? We need price to be doing this, chat. That's what we need. That's what we want price to do. But instead it's doing this. When we really want this. You know what I mean? Like, this makes me think, oh, we're gonna fail IB high again. But buyers have been so relentless that we haven't been able to. Also, chat, my you guys can't see it, but my win rate, oops, is almost back to 50%. So we've been doing well. We've been doing well. Normally my win rate's like at a 50 to 60% range. We were at like a 45, 46% win rate. So our win rate's getting back up. We're getting back that 50% mark. If I get like back to a 55% win rate, chat, we're gonna be all right. Listen, we're gonna be all right. That would be my sweet spot. About 55%. That'd be the sweet spot, chat, and we're already back at almost to 50. So we're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, chat. I'm gonna give price a little longer, see if we can pick something up here, but so far, chat, I'm not really liking this. I mean, there's nothing to do here. Look, this is the 1 minute, chat. This is doing absolutely nothing. Basically, for an hour, we've gone sideways. An hour, chat. And I've done nothing. So try to give it a little bit of grace here and see if we can get something popping here at IB High. But so far, I'm very unimpressed. Chat, there are prop firms popping up absolutely everywhere. One more short on YM. It's your last trade. Short looks kind of decent, honestly. On Nasdaq anyways. Doesn't look horrible, but man, price is just moving so slow. So slow. The short don't look bad. Moved into profit, so it is what it is. There you go. Hey, love that. That's like, yeah, you get into a trade and you move your stop loss into profit. That's that fuck it, get up and walk away. It is what it is type trade. It either goes to TP or it stops me out. It either runs or it doesn't. Fuck it, I don't care. I'm going outside. That's that vibe right there. That's that vibe, chat. Holy. I have to leave in 7 minutes is pretty much my thinking. Yep, there you go. I think I'm gonna call it a day, honestly. I'll call it a morning, because I mean, there's nothing. I am not excited about this. I like the idea of this failing again, but I mean, look what happens every time we have tried failing this. We just bought right back up. So I'm not overly excited about the PA right now, chat. So we might just call it a morning, to be honest. We might just call it a morning, chat. We're up on the morning. Why try to force this shit? Why not just take our money and bounce, you know? It's kind of what I'm thinking. Take the money and bounce. PA is kind of dog shit right now. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kay. I want to thank you. Okay. I want to sincerely thank you, Kay. Don't be like that, Jay. What do you mean don't be like that? You're like that every day of my life. Starting to break down. It's one of the things, yeah, it is. It's one of the things I've gained from you. Take it and don't force it 100% though. 100% though. Sean Chicago King calling me a quitter. Holy moly. Chat, 24-hour stream right now. I can't today. Can't. It's my mama's birthday. This thing is starting to actually sell off now. TP, love that, Mario. Let's fucking go, dude. Holy. Absolutely love it. Go bake a cake, Jay. Yo, I can't bake. I'm not a baker. I can do cookies and I can do brownies, but a cake, nah. Nah. I can make some mean cookies, chat. Listen. I can make some mean cookies, holy. Chat, what the fuck we doing here, bro? Y'all get out of my stream. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, or actually maybe that. No, we won't be streaming this afternoon because it's my mama's birthday. So I will be live again tomorrow morning. Chat, we're doing a giveaway. Doing a giveaway for a Straight to Funded account tomorrow. So make sure you tune in. You don't want to miss it. Straight to Funded account. Make sure you're there tomorrow. Don't forget about the giveaway. Send me the screenshots. If you use code JM, if you decide to support the community, you use code JM, send me the screenshots. I'll enter you for the Straight to Funded giveaway as well for that. So you have a lot of Straight to Funded giveaway chances here, chat. All we do is do giveaways. We give away shit for free all the time, baby. So be sure to tune in. Use code JM. Sub if you're not subbed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Love you. Bye.